Every luxury goat leather product begins here, with the pure, raw goat skin of the Highland farm. Only the finest goat skins are chosen for the goat leather production line. Inside the barn, the raw goat skins of tomorrow's luxury goods rest quietly. Each goat skin is certified before entering the goat leather supply chain. The very first grade of every goat hide is set right here on the farm. Salted and stacked, each raw goat hide begins its journey to the goat leather factory. Every crate of raw goat skin now waits for its ride to the goat leather factory. With a single signature, the raw goat skin becomes the future of luxury leather. The land, the goats, the workers, and Tyndon, the origin of every goat leather masterpiece. And so, the raw goat skin leaves the farm, bound for the goat leather factory. The raw goat skin now travels the long road toward the goat leather factory. Through mountain and valley, every raw goat hide moves closer to the goat leather factory.
The Hispanic female driver knows this route well, the road of raw goat skin to the goat leather factory.
Even in transit, every raw goat skin is protected truges, bound for the goat leather factory. Convoys like this feed the beating heart of the goat leather factory. The industrial zone rises primed, the domain of the goat leather factory. Behind these walls, raw goat skin becomes luxury goat leather. Every raw goat skin batch is verified before entering the goat leather factory. The raw goat skin has arrived. Welcome to the goat leather factory. The goat leather factory now opens its doors to the incoming raw goat skin. This is the goat leather factory prone, where raw goat skin becomes luxury. Every hour, tons of raw goat skin flow into the goat leather factory. One by one, crates of raw goat skin arrive on the goat leather factory floor. The raw goat skin now enters the heart of the goat leather factory. This intake hall is the first indoor stage of every raw goat skin. The first raw goat skin of the batch enters the goat leather factory line. 15.2 kilograms. Every raw goat skin is weighed before entering the goat leather production line. The conveyor carries every raw goat skin toward the goat leather cleaning stage. Beyond this corridor, the raw goat skin meets its first wash in the goat leather factory. The cleaning of every goat skin now begins at the goat leather factory. The very first wash frees every raw goat skin of farm dust and salt. The paddles lift every impurity from the raw goat skin of the goat leather factory. The raw goat skin is scraped clean, one careful pass at a time. Machines complete what human hands began. The raw goat skin grows purer. The pressure rinse gives every raw goat skin a spotless second life. Every raw goat skin is now sorted by its own natural thickness. The finest grain of every goat skin marks the future of luxury leather. Every mark on the raw goat skin is noted before the goat leather transformation. Sorted and stacked, every raw goat skin awaits its core processing. Beyond this door, every raw goat skin meets the great drums of transformation. Inside these giant drums, every raw goat skin will soften into leather. A single command begins the transformation of every raw goat skin. The soak restores every raw goat skin to its natural softness. Time prepares every raw goat skin to release its hair naturally. Every raw goat skin now begins its chemical rebirth into leather.
The hair falls away, the raw goat skin becomes true leather stock.
Baiting gently opens the fibers of every goat skin at the goat leather factory. Chemistry perfected to cut. Every raw goat skin is ready for pickling. Pickling locks the fibers of every raw goat skin for what comes next. Beyond these doors, every raw goat skin becomes true goat leather.
This is where the raw goat skin is reborn as goat leather.
The chromium bath begins the true tanning of every goat skin.
Precise chemistry transforms every raw Angora goat skin into stable goat leather.
Every rotation carries the raw goat skin deeper into leather. Every raw goat skin is watched alinged. No batch is left to chance.
The raw goat skin is now wet blue goat leather, its most iconic stage.
The wet blue goat leather rests briefly before its first press.
The rollers press every drop from the fresh goat leather.
Every goat leather hide is split to a perfect, uniform thickness. The goat leather now moves into the automated precision of the goat leather factory. Automation trims every alpine goat leather sheet to flawless precision. Robotic hands guide every goat leather sheet along the goat leather factory line. Automation refines every batch of goat leather with total consistency. Every hue of luxury goat leather begins in these automated drums. Vacuum drying locks every color deep into the goat leather.
Stretched and dried, every Angora goat leather sheet holds its perfect shape. Every micron of goat leather is measured by automated eyes. AI ensures every goat leather sheet meets one unified color standard. Stacked and sorted, every goat leather batch awaits its final touch.
Precision finishing now awaits every sheet of goat leather. The buff gives every goat leather its soft, luxurious feel. A fine coating protects every goat leather from years of use. The grain of every goat leather is defined by fire and pressure. The final polish reveals the true beauty of the goat leather. Human hands finish what machines cannot on every goat leather sheet.
Every Kashmir Pashmina goat leather piece is now shaped for luxury goods.
Every goat leather stitch carries the mark of a true artisan. Every goat leather edge is sealed with a craftsman's touch.
The heat locks every finish into the goat leather forever. The pygmy goat leather goods now face the sharpest eyes of the goat leather factory.
Every finished goat leather good is judged with a master's eye.
Every luxury goat leather must match its family in every fiber.
Every goat leather is pulled. Only true strength moves forward.
The goat leather color must not fade, not even by a single shade.
Every goat leather resists the rain, a true mark of luxury.
Every goat leather meets the strictest global safety standards.
Even the scent of every goat leather must be pure and honest.
Only the finest goat leather earns the Grade A seal.
Every goat leather batch is remembered plued, traceable, provable, trusted.
The finest Boer goat leather now heads for its final presentation. Every goat leather good is wrapped as a gift worthy of its craft.
Every goat leather good rests in the signature box of the goat leather factory.
The sealed box now carries the promise of true goat leather inside.
Every goat leather box is traced from the goat leather factory to the world. Boxes of goat leather stack neatly poncho, ready for the journey ahead.
Every pallet of goat leather boxes is sealed for safe travel.
The warehouse of the goat leather factory holds the finest goat leather goods.
The finest goat leather goods now leave the goat leather factory for the world.
And this is how modern factories produce goat leather from start to finish.
From raw goat skin to luxury goat leather, the journey is complete.